Point 5 Best Tech Gadgets of 2022 that everyone should buy. Each year amazes us with its new tech developments, and 2022 is no different. Whether it's a phone with illuminating rear strips or a super cool update to popular tech gadgets, the best tech gadgets of 2022 take innovation to the next level. Apple MacBook Air with M2 processor. Powerful Apple MacBook Air with M2 CPU boosts productivity. It offers up to 8 hours of video playback and a fanless architecture like the M1 MacBook Air to prevent overheating. The slim bezel 13.6 Liquid Retina display sports a notch for the 1080p FaceTime camera. It boasts 2 Thunderbolt 4 connections, a headphone jack, and 500 nit brightness. Google Pixel 6 a smartphone. Google Pixel 6 a smartphones are affordable and powerful. Its Google Tensor processor launches apps and images quickly. Its battery lasts almost 24 hours. This battery adapts by learning your preferred apps and saves energy on the ones you use least. DJI Mini 3 Pro Camera Drone. The DJI Mini 3 Pro camera drone lets you see more. It's portable and weighs under 249 g, and most countries don't require registration. Its foldable shape makes it portable. This DJI lightweight camera drone has forward, backward, and downward vision sensors to avoid obstructions in complex landscapes. Samsung 2022 Neo QLED Series. Samsung 2022 Neo QLED Series offers powerful processing. The collection's 3 TVs, QN900B, QN800B, and QN95B, have Samsung's Neural Quantum processor and 8K resolution for a 3D-like image perfect for sports and action. The QN95B has 4K resolution for realistic images and immersive audio. Apple 2022 iPad Air. Apple Silicon powers the 2022 iPad Air. It has an M1 chip and 8-core CPU, surpassing previous models. This and the 8-core GPU deliver amazing graphics performance. However, this new iPad Air also has the 16-core neural engine for intuitive experiences.